Good morning, grade 5. Today we will learn chapter 12, comparison of fraction with the same denominator. So here we will learn how to compare between two fractions with the same denominator. Then we'll learn how to make an equivalent fraction to get the same denominator. Now we will start with exercise 1. Compare. So when we have to compare between two fractions, we have to make sure that the two fractions have the same denominator, 4 and 4. So when I have same denominator, I'm gonna look at the numerator. The greater one is the greater fraction. So 3 greater than 2, so 3 fourths greater than 2 fourths. Same denominator here. We look at the numerator. 5 greater than 1, so 5 sixths greater than 1 sixth. 4 elevenths and 9 elevenths. Same denominator. So the greater one is the greater numerator. Now look at exercise 2. Simplify. Simplify means only I can divide. Okay? Then I can compare. So where I have to simplify? I have to simplify to make an equivalent fraction for the two fractions that they don't have same denominator. Now here 3 fourths and 6 eighths. I don't have the same denominator. So remember, when the two fractions don't have the same denominator, we will replace one of them, one fraction, by an equivalent fraction, or we have to replace the two fractions by an equivalent fraction. Then we can compare. So we have to replace by an equivalent fraction to make same denominator. Remember, here only I can simplify, I can't multiply, I can't use times, only I can simplify. Now 3 fourths and 6 eighths. I'm gonna look at the largest fraction. Now I ask myself, 6 and 8, are they divisible by 2? If I divide it by 2, do I get 4 as a denominator? Yes, so I'm gonna divide it here by 2, up and down, to get an equivalent fraction. Okay, so 6 divided by 2. I look at 2. 2 times what equals 6? 3. And here I look at 2. 2 times what equal 8 is 4. Now here 3 fourths and here 3 fourths. So the two fractions are equal. Now here 5 sixths and 20 over 24. Okay, now I look at the largest fraction. Here I have 6 in the denominator. Now 20 and 24. Are they divisible by 2? Yes, because they are even number. Do I get 6 in the denominator if I divide it by 2? No. So I'm gonna try 3. Are they divisible by 3? No, because 2 plus 0 is 2. It's not in multiple 3. Are they divisible by 4? Yes. Do I get 6 in the denominator? Yes. So I'm gonna here divide it by 4. 20 divided by 4. The answer is 5. 24 divided by 4, here 6. So here 5 sixes and here 5 sixes. So the two fractions are equal. Here 14 over 20 and 9 over 10. 9 over 10 or 9 tenths. So I'm gonna look at 14 over 20. 14 and 20. Are they divisible by 2? Yes. If I divide it by 2, do I get 10 in the denominator? Yes. So why 14 and 20 are divisible by 2? Because they are even number. 14 divided by 2, I look at 2. 2 times what equal 14? 7. 2 times what equal 20? 10. Now as I said, when we have same denominator, the greater numerator is the greater one. So here 9 over 10 or 9 tenths greater than 7 tenths. Now here 21 over 49 and 25 over 35. Can I turn 49 into 35 or can I turn 35 into 49? No. So here I have to replace the two fractions by an equivalent fraction. Okay, before we replaced only one fraction by an equivalent fraction and we kept the other fraction as it is. Okay, here we have to replace the two fractions by an equivalent fraction. Now let's start. 21 and 41. Are they divisible by 2? No, they are not even number. Are they divisible by 3? 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4 plus 9 is 13. No. Are they divisible by 4? No. Are they divisible by 5? No, because they are not ending by 0 or 5. Are they divisible by 6? Of course, no. Are they divisible by 7? Yes. 21 divided by 7, it will be 3. Here 3 over 49 divided by 7, it will be 7. Now here I have 5 and 5 directly they are divisible by 5. So here 25 divided by 5 and here 35 divided by 5. So here the answer is, I'm gonna choose another color for the pen. Okay, so here what number times 5 equal 5? It's 5. And here what number times 5 equal 35? 7. Now look at this. I have same denominator. So the greater one is the greater numerator. So 5 sevenths greater than 3 sevenths. Here 8 thirds and 12 ninths. Now I'm going to look at the largest fraction. I'm going to start with 2. Are they divisible by 2? No, because 9 is not even number. Are they divisible by 3? Let's see. 1 plus 2 is 3. Yes, and 9 divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide it by 3. And here by 3. Now 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now look at this. Same denominator. The greater one is the greater numerator. So 8 thirds greater than 4 thirds. Now here 24 over 28 and 30 over 70. Okay, so here we will replace the two fractions by an equivalent fraction. Okay. Now 30 and 70, they are divisible by 10 because they are ending by 0. So if I divide it by 10 here, the answer will be 3 over 7. If I divide it here by 4, you can start by trying divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 4. So here if I divide it by 4 up and down, I will get 7 as a denominator. So here will be 6 over 7. And look at here, 6 sevenths and 3 sevenths. Of course, 6 sevenths greater than 3 sevenths. Okay. Now we will solve exercise 4. We will do A and B only. Reduce. The word reduce means make. Make the same denominator, then compare. So here reduce means make. So here I can multiply or divide. Okay. So 1 seventh and 3/14. I can multiply 7 by 2 to get 14 in the denominator. So I'm gonna multiply 7 and 1 by 2. Okay. So here the answer will be 2 over 14. And here 3 over 14. Now I have same denominator. So the greater one is the greater numerator. Now here, 21 and 14. So I'm gonna replace the two fractions by an equivalent fraction. Why? Because I can't turn 21 into 14 and I cannot turn 14 into 21. So let's try 27 and 21. 27 and 21, they are multiple of 3, right? So they are divisible by 3. Why? Because 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. And here 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's also divisible by 3. So I'm gonna here divide it by 3. And here by 3. If I divide the 21 by 3, the denominator will be 7. Okay, remember. Now here 16 and 14, they are even numbers, so I'm going to divide it by 2. If I divide 14 by 2, I will get also 7 in the denominator. So when I have same denominator, I can compare now. So here 9 over 7, the first fraction, and the second one, 8 over 7. Remember, same denominator, the greater one is the greater numerator. So 9 sevenths greater than 8 sevenths. Thanks for watching.